Get out of here. Ain't no water. Well, here's the water. That's supposed to be the sidewalk and the street. You ain't gonna see nothing. That's actually like deeper. Yeah. Look at this shit. It was a lot worse yesterday. It was both sides were covered. We're gonna go ahead and hop this rail right here and show you guys the rest. All right, we hopped the fence. And look at this. This is my block, Long Beach. See, this hotel we live right next to. Flooded. Look, you can't even see the sidewalk. There you go, there you go. Just keep going. It's hailing. Now it's hailing. My camera's not waterproof, but F it. We gotta get walking. We're not giving it. Thank you for the show, Slur. Thank you for the show. Couple brave souls that have trucks, like this guy, that don't mind getting the truck wet for a little entertainment.
Hey, look, that's his bag.
I don't know. It's been there since yesterday. It just got here on its own. We didn't invite it.